Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn more about inheritance. There are two types of inheritance. In the previous video we covered interface inheritance, and in this video we're going to cover implementation inheritance. Let's take a look at the diagram at first. What we have here is a person class and two other classes that inherit from it. The main class that you're inheriting from is usually called the base class or the superclass. In this case it is person, and the classes that inherit from it are called the subclasses. In this case it's John and Anna. Now let's take a look at the implementation. The person class has a public variable called ID. It also implements a speak function. That implementation is the default implementation for any class that inherits from person, unless we decide to override that function with a different implementation. Let's take a look at the subclasses. Although it cannot be seen, both classes inherit the ID variable. Therefore, we do not need to redefine it. Next, we override the speak function for John using the override keyword in front of a function. Anna, on the other hand, is going to have the default implementation. Let's create Anna and John variables, and let's compile and run to see the results. Now let's say you want to make every class that inherits the function to define its own implementation. In this case we can use the abstract keyword before the function. This ensures that the function will be implemented by the class that inherits it. When making a function abstract, the default implementation could be removed. You can also execute the default implementation directly, addressing the base class by the super keyword. Alright, that's it for today. In the next video we will discuss static and final members. See you next time.